How to clear out my list on Tubi TV. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily clear out my list on Tubi TV. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's jump right into the video. The very first thing that you need to do is simply go ahead and open up your Tubi TV app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you're logged in, you will land on the homepage first, and here you will see all of your recommendation for different movies and TV shows. So from here, to access your list, you'll just have to head over to My Stuff on the bottom of your navigation bar, so just tap on it. And here you will find your continue watching list and then your list. So if you want to visit your list, tap on this arrow icon and you'll find all of the movies that you have added to your list. And if you want to remove something, all you have to do is long press on it and then remove from my list. So just click on the option and it will be removed. Do the same thing. So if you want to remove multiple ones, you'll have to do the same for all of these. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.